In this video, I'm going to be talking about the launch cycle. The launch cycle is a cycle that can help you learn more about the subject and just further your understanding of what you're doing. The first phase, or the L phase, is look, listen, and learn. That's what I'm going to be talking about first. In the L phase, you look, listen, and learn more to find out more about your problem or subject. In this phase, I made how might be questions to find out what I was going to try and do for this project. In the A phase, we had a rough idea of the subject that we were going to make our project on. I was thinking about doing lightsabers and their origins or such things. As you can see, I made a lot of need-to-know questions, and I thought of ways to find out the answer. In this form on the right, we have a inquiry question and form that I filled out to find out more about the question itself. The U phase is about understanding the problem or process. I chose a process as opposed to a problem, but to find out either way, you had to go through an authentic research experience. An authentic research experience is an interview, watching a video, analyzing data, or looking at research articles. I googled a bunch of things, and here were two of them. I would Google lightsaber designs and the lightsaber Wikipedia page. The N phase is where you look through all of your ideas and try and find the one that works for you best. I had a bunch of these ideas on the right, and as you can see by the drawing, I tossed them aside and went up to the last one. I chose to create a practical multi-purpose lightsaber for everyday use. The C phase is the crash test of the launch cycle. It's where you create your first prototype and you test it to see if it works. If it doesn't work, well, that's just that. Then you can fix it in the next phase. After you create your prototype, you go to this prototype revision grid and you find its strengths, weaknesses, what you can do to build on the strengths, and what I need to improve. The H phase, or the last phase, is called the highlight and fix phase. It's called this because it's where you highlight the strengths and you fix the weaknesses. In the first prototype, it was very uncomfortable to hold, small, and overall not very good design work. So I built on its strengths by making it look good, and I just fixed its overall shape. Thank you for watching my video about the launch cycle and how I used it.